You know, you might be overwhelmed today, and it's okay. It's really okay. And if you grew up like me, I think just getting through your day, like, kind of got wrecked. Meaning when you were in grammar school and you needed the thing, or if you needed help because you were getting bullied, or you just needed to perform on some level or be perfect, you weren't getting any help around it. And I really want to let you know and your little person know that you can handle anything, and it's just stuff that we need to do. And I think the way that we grew up, just doing stuff kind of almost like put a target on our back. And I really want to let you know that the stuff that you need to get through today is nothing like the stuff that you had to get through back then. The stakes are not as high, and you'll be okay.